today's my birthday, so I'm gonna get ready. So get ready with me. So yeah, I'm not really doing anything. I'm just getting ready to get ready. I already braided my hair down. This is the first time I ever braided my hair down, and so I need to wash the wig. I should have did this morning, but I need to wash the wig, do the knots. I'm just doing it with developer. I have bleach, but it's only a little bit. It is a 14-inch bob body wave. And this is a 13 by 4 lace front developer I got it off of Amazon. I'm not sure what the price was. If I put the price on the screen, I'll put the price on the screen. I heard that you can what's it called, do the knots with just developer, so I'm gonna try it. If it works, it works. So I'm gonna be using my handy dandy mannequin head, dome head, to do this, because doing this stuff without it hard. The hair now with this. That looks better. That looks better. I was looking right now. I'm not too sure what it's gonna do, if it's gonna do anything. So I guess we'll just wait. So I guess we just wanna do the wig cap until the 15 minutes over. I'm a blind girl. I need my glasses to see literally everything. So processes like this, like doing my hair, is so hard. Spray some of this stuff that I had earlier. And then the front, I'm gonna take some of this lock and braid gel for the front, because that didn't really do anything. I hate when my hairs are like, when I do the wig cap and my hairs get stuck under the cap, like glued down and stuff. So we're gonna brush this back, place it on your head, make sure it's all stretched out so you can get that pull. Everybody got these scissors. I be seeing everybody with these scissors, and it's the headscarf that everybody be getting. And I know they get it from Beauty Supply, because I got these from Beauty Supply. You should be able to see. Like you got a ski mask on, like you gonna rob somebody. Break your still food. I'm using Ghost Bond. This is good. I got this off Amazon, and it actually works. I was scared because, like, you know how people be scamming and stuff. They give you fake glue. They have fake glue at the Beauty Supply. This actually works. And do thin layers, alright, y'all. No thin layer, but do as I say, not as I do. This is how we looking. I always put more glue around ears because so it can stay down, because you're gonna cut the clap. This is kind of how it looks. This side, I kind of rubbed it in so it can dry faster. Does it look good, y'all? Tell me if it look good. If it don't look good, tell me it don't look good. Don't be lying. I did this side, curled it a little bit. It's not coming out how I wanted to, but it's okay. And the kids are in here now because they've been bad. If you remember, you remember. The back, I don't know what the back look like. Is the back good, y'all? This is how we looking. How we looking, y'all? Is it good? Is it not good? My son is making a lot of noise. Tell him to shush. Shh. Shh. They said shh. He don't care, y'all. I'm not good at baby hair, so we're gonna see how this gonna go. Cause some people they curl it up, and then some people they curl it down. I'm just curling it up so I won't burn myself. I'm gonna see how I look using this. Wait, the first I'm using this. I think it's small. I don't really like using this because it be making the lace come up, but I'm gonna try again. This is what we looking like.